mask up here. Just leaving the hotel, Carib, Hilton. About the we in Condado. Lizards. I had to see the lizard. Jumped into the bush. A little lizard. Yeah. I was gonna get a rented car. But we like, nah. Let's get a local taxi, some bread. Just see different shit. Plus all the GPS shit is in Spanish. I don't feel like all that. And then when it's time to go, you gotta take the mojitos. They must got some good mojito drinks. Mojitos and all that. Yeah. Mojitos. I don't even drink mojitos. Word. I'm here. About to see what this shit do. We're gonna see what Puerto Rico do. Oh, like I was saying, I don't want to do the I didn't get a rented car because when you leaving it, you gotta turn the car back, get on trains to get to your gate and all that. Just be a lot of work, man. So I ain't doing all that shit. We just gonna Uber and taxi. Fuck it. A little 10 here, 15 there. Shit gonna add up. It'd have been way cheaper if we'd have got. It'd have been way cheaper with a rented car, but it's alright. A couple of hundred ain't gonna hurt nothing. Fuck it, Abe. Let the locals eat and all that. I seen this on this spot right here. I seen this on YouTube. I forgot the dude's name who was showing that though. I gotta get a lighter from here though. Word, convenience store. Yeah, I gotta. I'll be back there to get a lighter because I got the Zaza, nigga. When I went to Mexico, that buddy was so fucking dirty. That shit was like some early 2000 Arizona, nigga. That shit had seeds. I mean, well, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do what I had to do. But I said, nigga, never again, B. So I got the Zaza. I got some D-Block. You heard, Zaza. I got 3 flavors. I got D-Block, Zaza. I got fucking waffle cone, Zaza. And I got, what the fuck was that shit called? Zoo cookies. I got some cookies. Fire. I think I'm going to this way. So, yeah, I got the zoo cookies. And I rolled up like 10 fat ass blunts, joints. I don't smoke blunts. I rolled up like 10 joints. Got it through. So, yeah, I need a lighter. I ain't bringing none with me because I'll wait till I get back to the balcony. Watch the beautiful view. You know, we got the oceanfront joint. Watch that. All right. And then I'm get my mind right later. But right now I'm gonna just find something to eat, man. Going to the strip in Condado. You know what I'm saying? It's nice out. Yo.
Hey. Whoa.
Yo. You dig? I would get a scooter and all that, but them shits is kind of fast, man. I ain't gonna hold you. It's hot out here. It's 90 degrees, 92 degrees. Whew, shit is hot. Oh, somebody fucked up. Somebody fucked up. This what they police look like? Shit. First time in Puerto Rico. Loving it. It's just hot as a motherfucker, yo. No bullshit. It's wild hot. Whew. Different kind of heat, my nigga. Yeah. That's it though. Puerto Rico 2021 Losi, baby, you heard? It's litty. I'll head back in a second. We just came from over that way from the hotel. And Puerto Rico, baby. Denny's across the street. Enterprise renting car shit. We was thinking about getting a rented, but yeah, nah. I'm gonna Uber and taxi it. Fuck it. I seen this building on YouTube too. Miami. Got that Miami vibe. Glad I ain't seeing that motherfucker. That nigga look like a weirdo. This nigga looking real weird over there. That looks nice. Woo. What kind of food they serve?
I have sushi, tacos, Puerto Rican food, bar inside and bar outside.
Okay. Taco, oh, different restaurants?
Yeah, different restaurants.
Okay. Copy. Thank you. Yep, just pulled up to the cheesecake joint. Well, $15 to get over here from Condado off the strip. Thank you. I see a red lobster. I see the lobster. You know, that's international. When you see that big ass lobster, you automatically know that that's with a red lobster. We about to hit up this cheesecake factory shit right here. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Yes, sir. Thank you. Of Americas. About to get some lunch. About to do lunch. And then see what they got in the mall. and we'll get back. Ow. San Juan. Coming up on the 4th. Well, that's the walk you're talking about, 45-minute walk. I could have ran that in 25. Straight zone, dude. A lot of souvenir shops. That's what I see out here.
Menos en ropa de cama y baño de Oak creado para Macy's. O ahorran nuevas botas y zapatos, compra 2, ahorran 40%. Además, los miembros de Macy's Star Rewards pueden ganar aún más rápido durante los días de bono de Macy's Star Money. Son ahora más
Gotta give me a
detalles
Puerto Rico
Star Money. Ahora solo precios en de liquidación de excepciones. 100% authentic, 100% cultura. Buchanan's presents Satellites, the
I gotta
best
get
brand
a
in Latin music.
Puerto Rican shirt before I go. What's going on? How much the shirts?
Well, they all depend, man. They all start, the range here,
Yeah.
I would say is from 95 to 120, the shirt.
Wow. Just walking through old San Juan. It's nice out. It was hotter earlier. That little rain shower must have cooled shit off. See, I'm working. Got my phone. Got the GoPro. I'm out here. San Juan. You see it. You gotta get out, man. You gotta live. You gotta see different things. You gotta get the experience. You can't be like a boat at the dock all your life, just anchored. You gotta get out. See shit, man.